Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 5th to 9th January 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see in USD JPY we saw a 0.09% positive move and closed at 156.787. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a small body and a big lower wick and a small upper wick. Currently, if I talk about stochastic RSI is at around 84-85 level. That is around overbought area, which is indicating as a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for indicators or RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here this is a 1-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here important support zones and resistance zone are already marked. Currently we don't need to mark any new levels. I can see the same, we can use the same levels which we have used during our previous week analysis. So straight away let's talk about the closing first. So here 156.787 was the closing. Here the direct support is 156.737. direct resistance is 157.180. after direct support there is a support of 156.312 and then 155.961. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 157.499 and then 157.776. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also, this will help you to take better target level as well. Currently, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from the prop firm. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I've already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. So let's now talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive move in this end, that is 156.737 to 157.180. I'm expecting a closing in no trading zone for this week. Overall, a positive move I'm expecting. If you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 156.737 gets breached and a 1-day or a 4-hour candle gets closed below this, and we can go for a short till 156.312. Overall, my expectations are a bit positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.